afternoon. I want to show you how to collect Honeycrisp fruitlets for Peel SAP analysis, and how we're going to peel these fruitlets this year in July. So what you need for this is basically 30 fruitlets that you're going to collect from a mature orchard. You need purified water for the cleaning of the peel. You need a peel knife, and you're gonna need a storage bag that you're gonna put in your freezer with the contact information of your farm. So now I want to show you how to clean these fruitlets in case we have any residue of calcium or anything else. So you're gonna have a paper towel like this one. You're gonna put it there in purified water. You're gonna squeeze it very well, and this is the paper towel that you're gonna use. Your hands are gonna be clean. You have a clean area in your kitchen or in any place, and you're gonna take one of the fruitlets without the stem, or with the stem you take it out and you clean very carefully the peel surface of these fruitlets that you have selected for the peeling with this tool. That is the next step that we're going to talk. So you just make sure that you clean very well. You remove any residue. You let the fruitlet to dry out a little bit here until you clean the 30 that you have selected from the orchard. So now this is one of the most important sections for how this protocol for 2020. We have the 30 fruitlets very clean. You clean previously with purified water, but now with a peel knife you're gonna get the peel from one of the fruitlets from opposite side. So you're gonna peel in this side and you're gonna peel in this side. You're gonna go from the stem end to the calyx end and the opposite side. So let me show you. You're gonna go from the stem end to the calyx end, and you're gonna do the opposite. You're gonna go from the stem end to the calyx end, and you're gonna have your peel. So one side like that, one side like the other one. You're gonna choose the next one from the top to the calyx end, and in the opposite side from the stem end to the calyx, to finish with something like that. Now I'm peeling very quick. The way how I do it in the lab is always from one side, and I turn the apple. That is the way how we do it, very quick in the lab. I had the peel here, took me less than 2-3 minutes, and in this storage bag where you have the farm name, grower name, contact information, your cell phone, your email, and the sampling day of the fruitlets, what you do now is take the peels and put your 60 pieces of peel in the bag. You can use any kind of bag that you can place in your freezer. You put it there, you take out the air, and you zip it, and it's ready to go to the freezer. And the last step is to take your sample and put it right away in your freezer like I'm doing now.